Welcome back to Cabin and Cottage, where we explore homes that warm your heart and inspire your space. Today, we're diving into a stunning winter retreat that perfectly blends Joanna Gaines' signature rustic farmhouse charm with clean modern lines. Get ready to fall in love with every beautifully designed room. Let's take the tour. Picture yourself stepping through the front door into this welcoming space where rustic warmth immediately embraces you. The wide oak planks beneath your feet lead your eye toward that gorgeous reclaimed console, perfectly styled without feeling fussy. Natural light dances across the shiplap walls, making everything feel so bright and airy. Those cotton branches in the ceramic vase? Pure winter magic. It's the kind of entrance that makes guests pause and smile. Sink into that cloud-like linen sectional, and you'll never want to leave this room. The fireplace becomes your focal point on chilly afternoons, its marble surround adding just the right touch of elegance. Everything feels intentionally curated, yet completely livable, from the soft throw blankets to that stunning black and white photograph. The way natural light pours through those steel-framed windows creates the most beautiful glow. This is where real life happens beautifully. This family room totally gets what cozy means. That chunky jute rug feels amazing underfoot while you're curled up with a good book or binge-watching your favorite show. The slip-covered sofa practically begs you to kick off your shoes and relax. Those vintage leather chairs add character without trying too hard. Natural light floods every corner, making even lazy Sunday mornings feel special. It's casual elegance at its absolute finest. Gather around this table, and suddenly every meal feels like an occasion worth celebrating. The reclaimed wood brings so much character and tells its own story with every grain and knot. Those linen chairs are surprisingly comfortable for long conversations over wine and dessert. The brass chandelier catches the light beautifully without stealing the show. Everything flows together seamlessly, creating the perfect backdrop for making memories. Dinner parties will never be the same. This kitchen is where functionality meets serious style, and honestly, you might never leave. That island becomes command central for everything from morning coffee to evening meal prep. The open shelving keeps your favorite dishes within easy reach while looking effortlessly chic. Natural light streaming through those windows makes cooking feel less like a chore and more like a joy. Cream cabinets keep everything feeling fresh and bright. It's the heart of the home, done right. Every well-designed home needs its secret weapon, and this butler's pantry delivers exactly that. The sage green cabinetry adds a subtle pop of color while maintaining that serene vibe. Everything has its place, from glass jars to woven baskets, making organization feel natural rather than forced. That marble prep counter gives you extra workspace when things get busy. It's small but mighty, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Your bedroom should feel like a personal sanctuary, and this space absolutely nails that brief. Imagine waking up to natural light filtering through those linen curtains, with winter views greeting your morning. The layered bedding invites you to hit snooze just one more time. That reclaimed wood headboard adds warmth without overwhelming the serene palette. Everything feels calm, collected, and deeply restful. Sweet dreams are basically guaranteed here. Finally, a closet that actually makes getting dressed enjoyable rather than stressful. The natural light streaming in changes everything, letting you see true colors without harsh artificial lighting. Those brass details add little touches of luxury throughout the space. Everything's organized but still feels warm and inviting rather than cold and clinical. That center island gives you a place to lay out tomorrow's outfit or store your favorite accessories. Organization has never looked this good. Start your mornings right in this vanity area that feels more like a spa retreat than a bathroom. The dual vanities mean no more fighting for mirror space during the morning rush. Natural light creates the most flattering glow for your skincare routine. Those marble counters feel cool and luxurious under your hands. Everything's thoughtfully placed but never cluttered, giving you space to breathe. It's self-care elevated to an art form. Creating a kid-friendly space that still maintains your design aesthetic? Totally possible, and this room proves it. The neutral foundation grows with your child, adapting to changing interests and ages. That cozy reading nook by the window will inspire countless story times and quiet moments. Natural materials make the space durable enough for real life while keeping things beautiful. It's a childhood haven that respects your entire home's design vision. Your guests deserve a space that makes them feel truly welcome and cared for. This bedroom strikes that perfect balance between comfort and style without trying too hard. The layered linens whisper sink in and stay a while to anyone lucky enough to sleep here. Natural light keeps the space feeling open and cheerful throughout the day. That reading chair by the window offers a quiet retreat for early risers. Hospitality, beautifully designed. Working from home becomes infinitely more appealing when your office looks like this. That desk positioned perfectly for natural light and inspiring views makes tackling your to-do list almost enjoyable. The built-in bookshelves provide practical storage while adding architectural interest to the entire space. Everything feels intentional yet approachable, professional yet personal. You might actually look forward to Monday mornings in here. Productivity has never felt this good. Extend your living space outdoors, and suddenly your home feels twice as large. This terrace flows seamlessly from the interior, maintaining that same warm aesthetic you've cultivated inside. Those linen cushions make outdoor lounging seriously comfortable, perfect for morning coffee or evening wine. The pergola overhead provides just enough definition without blocking that beautiful natural light. It's outdoor living elevated beyond basic patio furniture. You'll practically live out here. Even in winter, this garden space holds so much promise and quiet beauty. The house exterior ties everything together, showing how thoughtful design extends to every corner of your property. Those raised beds will burst with life come spring, but even now they add structure and interest. Walking these stone pathways becomes a meditative moment in your busy day. It's a reminder that beautiful spaces extend beyond four walls. Nature and design, perfectly balanced. This home proves that rustic warmth and modern elegance can coexist beautifully. From that inviting foyer to the serene backyard garden, every space tells a cohesive story through natural materials, soft neutrals, and abundant light. If you loved this winter farmhouse tour, hit that like button, subscribe for more inspiration, and share your thoughts below.